Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today we are talking about the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500. Yes, the legend is finally back. After a few years of being discontinued, Royal Enfield has relaunched this classic icon with a fresh engine, updated features, and that same timeless design we all know and love. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the new Bullet 500 comes with a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine that now meets BS 6-stage 20BD2 norms. It produces around 27 horsepower and 41 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The big improvement here is the balancer shaft, which reduces vibrations, giving you a smoother, more refined ride. Design and features. When it comes to looks, Royal Enfield has kept the classic Bullet DNA intact: full metal body, chrome finish, and hand-painted pinstripes. But you also get some modern upgrades, like an LED headlamp, semi-digital instrument cluster, and dual-channel ABS for better safety. It's a perfect mix of retro style and modern tech. Ride and comfort. The bike uses a twin down-tube frame, telescopic front forks, and twin rear shocks with 5-step adjustability. You can expect a comfortable ride with strong stability, whether in the city or on highways. Top speed: around 130 km per hour, and mileage roughly 30 to 35 km per litre. Price and variants. The 2025 Bullet 500 is expected to be priced around 2.4 Indian rupees to 2.5 Indian rupees lakh in India, and between 11 rupees to 13 lakh in Pakistan for imported versions. Available colours include black gold, chrome silver, forest green, royal maroon, and gunmetal grey. Final thoughts. So yes, the Bullet 500 is back, stronger, smoother, and more refined than ever. It carries the same royal heritage with better technology and comfort. For those who love the old-school thump with modern reliability, this bike is pure emotion on two wheels. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.